Hi, this is 2008 Toyota Sienna. The high beam is not working. The bulb is not lighting up. See this? This is a regular light right here. And this one is the high beam. It's supposed to be turned on. Let me open the light. So this is the high beam light right here. So low beam is on. High beam is, see the bulb, it's not working. Let me find out what is the problem, why it's not on. First of all, I need to check this cover off. Look for the fuse. For the fuse of the light. See right here, this is 10 M fuse, headlight lamp, right. This is the H high beam. This is right, left high beam. So we need to check these two fuse. So when you pull like this, it's supposed to be here. These two, you see the 10 M right here. These two. You need to check these two. Before you check the fuse, turn on the headlight switch on. Switch has to be on. So you can check the fuse many way. If you have one of these, it will be more easier, but everybody don't have that, so I'm not gonna show you that. Just simply you can use like test light. Like if you have one of these simple test light, that will work. Make sure this put on negative, not the positive. See the negative, just put in here. After that, check this light is working or not. Is this working? No. Now we're gonna check the fuse. See this fuse not lighting. That is not lighting either. This one is not lighting. This one is not lighting. Let me see the good one, the other one. See, this is lighting now. This one is lighting. This one is lighting. So these two fuse is not working. This is short. Let me pull the fuse and show you how. You can just simply take the needle nose plier and just pull one by one like this. This look like a good fuse, but see this bar mark in here. So maybe that reason. Let me check the other one. This is look like this is short. You see this inside. See the inside is plate. Let me show you the good one. See, this one does not is plate. Look like an M shape. See, right there. So this is like a very small size fuse Toyota use. So I don't have right now 10 amp, so I'm gonna put 15 amps. Later I'm gonna replace to 10 amps. Just push it in. So it's in now. Let me turn on the light. Let me turn on the switch for the light, then see if it is working or not. This light is turned on or not. See, the light is turned on now. So we are in a good shape right now. This is really very easy fix. I thought there was some electric issue or like short circuit or something. So this one is on. I'm gonna put it in the other side as well. See, this is on, this is on, both light is on right there. There you go. So that's how we check headlight problem, like high beam. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.